Do you want to create a text glitch effect or a video clip glitch effect for your videos? Stick around and I'll show you two of the simplest ways. As you can see that we are on our edit page, we're going to want to bring in a text plus effect to our timeline. This will not work with a text. It needs to be a text plus. Highlight the text plus, go over to our inspector and input whatever title that you want. Color, size. We're going to increase our size just a little bit. We're going to increase the tracking to spread out the words a little bit. From there, we are going to be going over, putting our glitch effect on. So go over to our search window and select all folders. In here, we're going to add our glitch effect. And from there, we're going to add the digital glitch. That will bring our text effect to its glitch effect. With our text plus box selected, we go over to our inspector window. And in our digital glitch, we can adjust the width and glitch height, how high you want this to actually be in between. The chroma scale, which will separate the red, green, and blue and adjust it as such to however colors that you wish for it to be. From there, we're just basically going to leave this as it is. And this is just a very simple glitch effect. You can loop this and this is your effect. To create our video glitch effect, we're going to want to go over, and as you see, we are in our edit page. We're going to want to go over and bring our video into our timeline. Once we have our video in our timeline, we want to again go back over to our all folders and select them and look for glitch. Within this, we're going to look for a fusion effects, the digital glitch. Just drag that on top of the video clip that you want to have the effect on. In our inspector, you can change the width. That will change the width of our glitch. It can be big or small. See, it will just go in and out. We can change the height of it by changing the height, make it small or short. And again, we can do the chroma scale, and that will separate the reds, the blues, and the greens. And with that set, we can then loop this and see that we have a glitch over our video.